We are EduSoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorial for beginners in 3ds Max software.
Hi friends, today we will discuss about Lathe modifier tool in 3ds Max. Lathe creates a 3D object by rotating a shape about an axis. Here I will demonstrate how to create a column using Lathe modifier. First we will draw the 2D sketch of the column. After that, select the shape and go to the modify list and select the Lathe modifier. Then select and transform the axis of lathe. Then change the lathe parameters like degrees, segments, smooth. Degrees determines the numbers of degrees that the object is spun around the axis lathe. Segments determines how many interpolated segments are created in the surface between the start and end point. And the smooth applies smoothing to the lathe shapes. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe and share.